Can you guess the 1970s British classic cars? Pick the right answer from A to D to earn 5 points, or guess it from the picture before the options for a bold 10 points. Perfect score, 200 points. Let's see who really knows classics. Which car is this? A. 1970 Mini Clubman. B. 1976 Rover 3500 SD1. C. 1973 Austin Allegro. Or D. 1979 Talbot Horizon. The correct answer is D. The 1979 Talbot Horizon. Can you recognize it? A. 1976 Ford Fiesta Mark I. B. 1976 Hillman Avenger. C. 1971 Morris Marina. Or D. 1973 Austin Maxi. The car is A. The 1976 Ford Fiesta Mark I. Final challenge, what is it? A. 1976 Hillman Avenger. B. 1975 Ford Escort. Mark II. C. 1973 Mini 1275 GT. Or D. 1971 Ford Escort Mark I. The correct choice is B. The 1975 Ford Escort Mark II. Which car is this? A. 1977 Chrysler Sunbeam. B. 1971 Ford Escort Mark I. C. 1976 Vauxhall Chevette. Or D. 1978 Ford Granada Mark II. The answer is D. The 1978 Ford Granada Mark II. Is this familiar? A. 1978 Ford Granada Mark II. B. 1973 Austin Allegro. C. 1970 Mini Clubman. Or D. 1971 Morris Marina. It's D. The 1971 Morris Marina. Which car is it? A. 1976 Vauxhall Chevette. B. 1975 Ford Escort Mark II. C. 1974 Ford Capri Mark II. Or D. 1971 Ford Escort Mark I. The correct answer is C. The 1974 Ford Capri Mark II. Can you guess? A. 1971 Morris Marina. B. 1973 Austin Maxi. C. 1978 Vauxhall Cavalier. Or D. 1976 Ford Cortina Mark V. The car is B. The 1973 Austin Maxi. Do you know it? A. 1978 Ford Granada. Mark II. B. 1975 MG BGT. C. 1976 Vauxhall Chevette. or D. 1973 Mini 1275 GT? The answer is B. The 1975 MG MG BGT. Can you recognize it? A. 1979 Talbot Horizon. B. 1975 Triumph TR7. C. 1970 Mini Clubman, or D. 1977 Chrysler Sunbeam? The correct choice is D. The 1977 Chrysler Sunbeam. Which car is this? A. 1977 Leyland Princess. B. 1975 MG BGT. C. 1978 Vauxhall Cavalier. Or D. 1976 Rover 3500 SD1. The answer is A. The 1977 Leyland Princess. What do you think? A. 1976 Ford Cortina Mark V. B. 1977 Leyland Princess. C. 1973 Ford Capri Mark II. Or D. 1978 Vauxhall Cavalier. It's A. The 1976 Ford Cortina Mark V. Which one are we seeing? A. 1971 Ford Escort Mark I. B. 1977 Leyland Princess. C. 1976 Hillman Avenger. Or D. 1975 MG BGT. The correct answer is A. The 1971 Ford Escort Mark I. Any idea? A. 1979 Talbot Horizon. B. 1975 Triumph TR7. C. 1970 Mini Clubman. Or D. 1977 Chrysler Sunbeam. The car is D. The 1977 Chrysler Sunbeam. Is it this one? A. 1979 Talbot Horizon. B. 1975 MG BGT. C. 1976 Ford Cortina Mark V. Or D. 1973 Mini 1275 GT. The answer is D. The 1973 Mini 1275 GT. Recognize this one? A. 1976 Rover 3500 SD1. B. 1977 Leyland Princess. C. 1978 Ford Granada Mark II. Or D. 1976 Hillman Avenger. Say, the 1976 Rover 3500 SD1. Can you name it? A. 1970 Mini Clubman. B. 1973 Ford Capri. Mark II. C. 1975 MG BGT, or D. 1979 Talbot Horizon? The correct choice is A. The 1970 Mini Clubman. What's your call? A. 1976 Hillman Avenger. B. 1979 Talbot Horizon. C. 1975 Triumph TR7, or D. 1971 Morris Marina? The answer is A. The 1976 Hillman Avenger. Which car is this? A. 1978 Vauxhall Cavalier. B. 1975 Triumph TR7. C. 1977 Chrysler Sunbeam. Or D. 1976 Ford Cortina Mark V? The car is A. The 1978 Vauxhall Cavalier. Can you spot it? A. 1976 Vauxhall Chevette. B. 1979 Talbot Horizon. C. 1975 Triumph TR7. Or D. 1971 Morris Marina? The correct answer is A. The 1976 Vauxhall Chevette. Which is correct? A. 1977 Chrysler Sunbeam. B. 1975 Triumph TR7. C. 1973 Austin Maxi. Or D. 1978 Ford Granada Mark II? The answer is B. The 1975 Triumph TR7.